Recently, I was looking for shelves to put up in my office, and I thought about maybe like a corner shelf, something like that over there, but really didn't want to deal with it, and it kind of dropped too far down. And I thought, hey, what about floating shelves? Now, I've used floating shelves in the past. I had one that was a wine rack that was awful. The thing would always come out of the wall. It was horrible, but this one actually looks pretty cool, and it was really easy to install. So this is a 3 set right here. This is the white version, and you can see there's the pins right there on the back. And what I did, I already installed this here. So it can install with 3 different screws right into it. You can do it into studs. It comes with anchors. And the nice thing about this is not only do you have the pins that it slides into, but then you have these screw holes on the bottom, which lines up right here, which also comes with other screws, and it's gonna tighten it down so it's not gonna move. So let me just show you real quick here. Hopefully this lines up. So you can see here, I'm just gonna slide it back. It is pretty tight to the wall. I probably should have moved it over a little bit, but it's tight back. So really, if I just give it a little smack there, so that's nice and tight. So by itself, it doesn't wanna go anywhere because it's tight on the wall. But if I don't want this sliding out, if it was further away, all I gotta do is come with these screws that they include with it, right there, and then we're gonna put it right underneath and lock it in place, which is awesome. So these shelves are about 15 by 5, so plenty of room to put stuff on, and then you can stack them 3 high, you can offset them, but just, it was so easy to install. They're really nice looking. The biggest thing is you don't have brackets underneath. You just put it on the wall, install it, and then lock it down, and you're good to go. So you're definitely gonna wanna put the 4 in, because just having the 2 on the sides, it wanted to tilt. So I went back and put the 4 screws in to make sure that it was good, and it's not going anywhere now. And you can see I was a little bit tight to the wall, so when I put it in place, yeah, it scratched the wall a little bit, but I'm gonna keep the shelf there. For now, if I have to go back, I'll just patch that up. So when you do it, I would just put the shelf on, see where it's at, and then line it up that way. But otherwise, this bracket makes it super easy to install. Now you can see right here on the back, that's how it's installed when you get it. They're all wrapped together. It includes a few different anchor bolts that it comes with. So if you don't have studs that you can work with, it comes with these ones, which I really don't like too much, but it also comes with these, which make it a little bit easier to install. So I had those, and then all the screws that you're gonna need to put them in place, nice and level. And if I wanted to move it, easy, just pull it off, unscrew those, fill up those holes, and then you're gonna be good to go.
This is the YARUKIMA White Floating Shelves set.
And if you're looking for a solution just like this for floating shelves that are easy to install and are not gonna slide right off, then you may wanna check these ones out too.